Wiring a blower safety switch in series means any open contact cuts power to the entire blower circuit immediately. When a safety switch is placed in series with the blower motor circuit, it becomes a single point whose open state prevents current from reaching the motor, so you must treat each series safety device as critical to overall operation. Test for an open series device by isolating power, then perform sequential voltage tests at known good reference points from the supply toward the blower so you can find the first location where voltage disappears. Use a properly rated non-contact tester to verify de-energized conditions before touching terminals, and then a digital multimeter set to the appropriate voltage range to measure under load conditions. Avoid testing with the motor disconnected because the circuit behavior can change when the motor draws current. When a switch shows intermittent continuity under manual actuation or a high resistance reading under load, replace the switch rather than attempting a temporary fix because high resistance produces heat and unreliable tripping. For field heaters and air handlers with long control runs, use wiring practices that minimize voltage drop, such as correct gauge conductors and tight terminal connections, to prevent nuisance trips of the series safety switch. Document each test reading and the state of every switch so future troubleshooting does not repeat work, and so you can correlate failures with environmental factors like vibration, moisture, or dust. The three most common issues are an undetected open in a remote series switch, high resistance in a marginal switch, and wiring errors such as a switch wired in parallel unintentionally. If a remote series switch is open, use the sequential voltage test method to localize the break and then repair the conductors or replace the device at the identified location. When a switch shows high resistance under load, replace it because cleaning contacts may not restore original mechanical pressure and can lead to heat buildup and subsequent failure. For wiring errors, recheck the schematic against field wiring, correct any parallel bypasses, and secure all connections with proper torque to prevent future intermittent behavior. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to projects like blower and safety switch issues. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common installation and testing techniques together.